Welcome to Training Minutes. My name is Steve White and I'm a battalion chief with the Fishers Fire Department. In this segment, we're going to perform a dash roll. A dash roll is done when the dash of the truck has come down, trapping the driver or passengers at the legs. To do this, this tactic is most effective because we're operating off of a full frame vehicle. Using cutters and rams, we're going to take a section of the upper A post out, make a relief cut in the lower A post, then place a ram to pivot the dash up off of the lower extremities of the victim. The same steps and actions that are occurring on the driver's side must also occur on the passenger side. It's important to get a very deep relief cut on the bottom A post. This may take more than one cut. A chisel may also be used to expand the relief cut. Now we want to take a section of the upper A post out of the way so that when we roll the dash, the upper A post will clear the roof. It's important to note here that you must be able to form size up, make sure that there's no significant roof damage that will cause the roof to come down on the patient. Now that the upper and lower A posts are cut, we're going to use a ramming action. Again, this is going to be on both sides of the dash. As you can see, rolling the dash was able to gain a great deal of space. When we're doing this operation, it's critical to monitor the rams. The rams are going to be expanding our opening here at the lower A post, pushing the dash up, and also bringing the column with it. A lot of times you'll also see movement of the pedals because sometimes we could have an entrapment with the victim's foot between the pedal and the firewall. Another key point to point out is that the back of the ram. Most rescuers keep an eye on the front of the ram and watch the dash move it and see if we're getting enough space, and that's important, but we always have to monitor the back of the ram to ensure that it does not kick out during the operation. L brackets or ram jammers can also be used to distribute our push point or to gain space based on the size or length of ram that you have in your cache. That concludes this segment of Training Minutes, and we'd like to thank Holmatro for sponsoring this.